Anybody? You can guess. Again? Okay, let me give some hints. Division is the noun. It comes from the verb divide. Okay, now you should have a good answer for me. Okay, what is cell division? You wanna guess? It's the process that cell can divide. Yeah, thank you. Don't forget that attendance is about 10% of total score. It's the free score. You don't have to do any test. Just guess with me, okay? Okay, this process is the process that cell can divide. They can divide and multiply their number. First, typically it will start with one mature cell. And then when these cells grow and mature enough, I'm not good at any kind of picture, but please try to understand. Okay, when it's growing up, it will have ability to divide. And then this daughter cell, or the product of this cell division, will come to two smaller cells. And these cells can grow too. And they will grow to mature cells at the end. So in this process, when we start with one mature cell, finally we will get two mature cells. So the number of the cell is increased. Okay. Anybody want to guess why the cell needs to divide? Why our cell needs to be increased? Why? Why you are taller? Why the baby can taller? Why your wall can repair? Anybody want to guess? It's 10%. Come on. You want to guess? I have already answer for you, actually. Okay, let's think about it together. The cell needs this process when we need to grow, right? When the children taller, and taller. So the first reason why our body needs cell division is growing. And the second reason, as I said before, when you have any injuries, when you is cut by a cutter, by knife, or when we have the bone fracture, we need to repair. So the second reason is repairing. And actually we have third reason, it's for reproduction. In this case, this cell has to be considered as one individual, such as in the case of bacteria. This is one bacterium, right? When they divide, finally we will get two individuals of bacteria. Okay, so this is the process for the unicellular or the single cell organism. But the first two is the organism like us, like plants, animal, and human. We need to grow, we need to repair the injury. So these two is happen in multicellular organisms. Okay. Anybody have a question with this? Clear? Okay. So we will discuss more about cell division. As I said before, we have the reason why we need cell division. So this mechanism requires something to trigger them, to tell them that it's time to grow, it's time to repair. We call this GF or growth factor, or RF or repairing factor, to tell the cell that it's time to divide for repair, it's time to divide for growth. Okay, everybody understand this? So the following question is, what will happen if they cannot receive this factor anymore, or if the receptor that receives this factor doesn't work? Who want to guess? What will happen?
Cells won't divide because they won't receive the signals.
Okay. Will you add here? Do you care if I erase this? Okay, now we have the problem, right? When this mechanism defective, they don't sense to GF or RF anymore. And one of your friends suggests that maybe cells do not divide. What will happen with this person if the cell can't divide anymore?
Don't grow.
Yeah, the cells can grow. In this case, if you are still the baby, when the first step of our life, it will start like egg and sperm, they fuse together and divide to increase the cell number. So if this cell cannot divide, so this organism cannot grow. And the second thing is, if we have any injury, if only the cell around the injury cannot divide, so it cannot be fixed. Okay? Okay, we run out of time now. For the homework, I want you to do some research about the defective of cell division. For the second case, what will happen with the cells that can divide without this signal? Okay, and we will discuss about this next time. Thank you.